Hello my creatives, welcome back, welcome back to the channel. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I know it's not a lot of you over here, but I'm excited. God, I like being on here, but you know, life and time, sometimes we don't get the time, enough time to do the things that we want to do or even to do the things that we love. But anywho, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you so much to those persons who subscribe to my channel. I'm really appreciative. I mean, I'm not one of those big crochet YouTubers, but I'm taking my time and I really enjoy doing what I'm doing. And I hope that you're enjoying the content, and I'm trying my best to put out some more interesting content and to grow this channel. So if you're new to my channel, Jola Don Crochets is the name of my channel, and we do all things crochet, right? So we're in the festive season. It's Christmas season, and you know, everybody is preparing for Christmas. And today I'm going to be decorating my Christmas tree, but not the usual decoration like not much show no. These are some traditional ornaments that we use to decorate our Christmas tree. Right, so these are some traditional ornaments that we use to decorate our Christmas tree. We have the little pine cones and the little red balls and so on. I might use some, but I'm going to do things a little different. I came up with a very brilliant idea. Why don't I just crochet some ornaments, make the thing a little more creative, right? So I did some of the traditional, you know, some of the traditional ornaments like, and our red and white stocking, of course, if you can see our red and white stocking, and our traditional snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? So we have the snowman here, and we have some balls which are similar to our red balls. Oh, and how can I forget to show you my bell? So we have the bell as well, which is also a traditional Christmas tree ornament. I have that, and I also have a lot of these. I made a lot of these, right, to kind of pull out the tree. So I didn't make a whole lot, but I did make enough to kind of add some variety and some creativity to my tree. So my tree is very naked right now. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to do a full decoration of my tree. So I'm going to add my crochet ornaments, and you know, I'm going to add these little fancy dances here, right, that we always use to accentuate our tree. How can I forget my pepper light, LED decorative lights? So this is what is going to make the Christmas tree laugh and twinkle and sparkle up the place and brighten up the place, right? So without this, your Christmas tree is not complete, guys. All right, so stay tuned. We're going to decorate our tree. All right, so don't move a muscle. All right, so I have all my Christmas decorations here, or my Christmas ornaments. I have my crochet ornaments that I'm going to be just adding to the tree. So I'm not going to do them in any specific coordination. I'm just going to randomly place them, randomly distribute them. So I think I want my bell to be at the top here. I'm going to put my two bells here at the top of my tree, like this. So I have all my decorations. I have a variety. I have my crochet ornaments, and I think I'm gonna add some of these to pull out the tree some more, but it's mainly crochet ornaments. And I have these little snowflakes that I'll be adding as well. Yeah, so I'm not gonna overcrowd my tree. I'm just adding them as I go along. So I think I'm gonna put one here. So this is the front of my tree. I mean, the back is not gonna be shown, so I don't think I need to worry too much about the back. So then I have my stocking here. I think I'm gonna put my stocking here. So as I said, I'm not really doing any color coordination of such. I'm just spreading them out on the tree. We have our snowman here. We're adding our snowman. So I think I'm gonna put the snowman right here. And then I'm going to add my other snowman, maybe here. I have another ball, so I'm going to put that maybe here. Guys, I am no professional when it comes on to Christmas tree decoration. You know, some persons take this thing very seriously. Trust me. Some people take Christmas tree decoration very seriously. See, just like how I am just putting them anywhere I feel to put them, or anywhere that looks good, where it looks nice. Some persons, they are very specific, very meticulous when it comes on to the color coordination and this and that. So I made more of the candy mints, which are these little things here, and I made more of them to kind of full out the tree some more. You know, they're just so cute. I have 2 more left, guys. As I said, I didn't make a lot of them. I did not make a lot of them. So just stay with me. I'm not trying to overcrowd the tree with a lot of crochet ornaments. I just wanted it to be the theme for my Christmas tree. Nothing hard and fast. Just wanted it to be the theme. Oh my God. Creatives, look at this. Look at this. It is looking so good. Yeah. Right. Oh my God. Take a look. It looks so nice. Look at this tree. So I'm going to be adding these that I bought. So this cute pine cone will have this nice gift box, and I believe there's nothing here to hang it, so I believe these go under the Christmas tree. So I'm just gonna put these under the Christmas tree like this. Comment down below and let me know if I'm doing a good job so far. So I'm gonna add these ornaments, but I'm gonna put them more to the back or to the side because it's not really the theme for my Christmas tree, but I just wanted to add some variety because I really don't have a lot of these. So I'm just going to add them more to the side. So I'm putting this one over here. I know you're not going to really see, but when I'm done, I'm going to show you the finished product. I'm telling you, these merchants are so creative. Every Christmas, it gets better and better with the Christmas decorations. When I was growing up, this was not a tradition for me. It was mostly food and church, of course. So this whole excitement was not a thing really, but you know, as you grow older, we learn to appreciate the nice things in life when we're able to afford them, one. and to appreciate them. So I'm just mainly adding the pine cones and the Christmas balls, and I'm just putting these mostly. I can add one up here. I have this. I have two Merry Christmas kind of banners. Like, could I put it here? So for the grand finale, I'm going to add my pepper lights. I think this is which one of them, the color ones. All right, so where's the plug? So this is the plug. We're gonna plug it in over here. Wow, look at this. If you have made it this far in the video, I must say thank you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and share the video, like the video, leave a nice comment. Let me know how I did. Compliments of the season. Remember, Jesus is the reason for this season, and it is through him why we are able to enjoy the finer things in life. So take care of your loved ones, take care of your families, and most importantly, take care of yourselves. Until next time.